Today I'm showing you guys how to make a sugar lip scrub. This scrub is amazing and you will not ever need another one. This is the best recipe I've ever made. It leaves your lips not only extremely exfoliated, but very, very moisturized. It's so good. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Just like with any other recipe, I tested multiple ingredients and made several batches before coming up with the perfect one to share with you. I put a little bit of candy flavoring. Mint actually was creamed in mint, so you can definitely put flavoring in yours if you want. It tastes good. It tastes really good. I don't recommend eating it like as a snack, but if some gets in your mouth, it's fine. The jojoba beads give the scrub additional moisture. Look how creamy and beautiful. It will get firmer as it cools, but what's really amazing is as soon as it touches your finger or lips, it melts quickly and becomes pliable again. I packaged the scrub in small jars, but then I had an amazing idea. Just had a great idea. I can put these like in little chapstick things where you don't have to get your finger dirty. I'm going to melt this down just a little bit and put it in like a roll up or a push up chapstick thing. The thing I'm gonna put it in, it has a top, and then it's gonna be a twist top like this. Put the scrub in and pack it down. Repeat these steps until the container is completely full. Then we'll just have to twist it up and then use it just like I used the other one. Use whichever packaging that you want. A twist container will work great for this, but only push up as much as you need. The scrub can be twisted up, but not back down. You can manually push it back down. You just need like a little bitty bit like that, and then just scrub your lips. Or you could just like this. And then you just wipe it off. Just customize it however you want to customize it. If it's a little bit too thick, you don't want it this thick, you can just add more oil. If you want it more exfoliating, add more sugar, or if you want a little bit less exfoliating, add pumice or whatever type of exfoliant that you want to use. I'm going to be using a specific kind of butter, specific kind of oil. All of these can be easily swapped out with not much change in the recipe. Now you can try emulsifying wax or some kind of other wax, but I can't guarantee that the recipe will come out the same. It's very greasy. You don't want to use it anywhere else, but greasy is good, really good when it comes to your lips, because while it's exfoliating, it'll also be like ultra moisturizing. I love this stuff. I could literally do this, like, it's awesome. It feels good. That feels so nice. Now it's starting to hurt. Before it was feeling really good, now it's starting to hurt a little bit. I see my lips getting really pink. I think I'm chapping them. It's a vicious cycle, I tell you. The more I do it, the more I need it. Oh yeah. They're chapped. Tomorrow they're gonna be so chapped. Oh shit. A lip gloss without the sugar, but everything else, including the mint flavoring. It's gonna be so good. So good. And this stuff is so good. I'm gonna show you what it's so good. Okay.